Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put on the left, the s I will put on the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over y. The integration of this one, we have x to the power of 4 over 4, and I will put about c. Now we have the condition. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to number 1. So we put number 0 gone here, number 1 gone here to find the value of c. So we simplify it and we have c equals to negative number 1. And now we put negative number 1 gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.